Okay, just got here to work, and here they are. Bam. I'm waiting for these puppies. Let's see what we can get into with these.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. For the thrill of it, 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 for the thrill of
Okay guys, that's it for today. Day's over. So today's episode was mostly about, let me show you guys right here, about the new Cordless Senior, the Wahl Senior. As you guys know already by my videos, guys, I am a senior guy. This is a machine that I use for fading, everyday fading. I have 3 of them in my drawer right now. So I purchased 2 of these, hoping that I could get rid of the cords. I'm old school barber, guys. I've been around for a long time, and me myself, I've never really been into the cordless machine. So to me, this is it's like wearing gloves. I never wore gloves too, you know, and now I'm wearing gloves. So I'm trying it out. Here it is right here, guys. Get a good look at it. My first initial review, guys, and this is just for the vlog today. I'm gonna do a review on it, a more thorough review on it. But for now, I'm just giving you my little this is my small review on it, just a general. But I use it today on several haircuts, and I gotta say I love the way it works. It works really good. It's a little bit longer than the other senior that I use, a little bit thinner, but to me the weight is right on. It's you know it's good. I like. The reason why I don't like the Magic is because it's too light. And to me, it feels like you don't have nothing in your hand. This is metal, so this is very, very nice, you know? Look at it contours to your, when you're fading, it just, I don't know, it feels good. The cons, what I didn't like about it. What I don't like about it is it's louder. It's a lot louder than a regular machine. And let me show you guys. Well, here's my other machine, which I always use, okay? Which is, technically it's the same machine, it's a senior, but hear that? Hear that? No, I bought 2 of these. I don't know if it's maybe a defect. I haven't opened the other one yet. I've only been using this one today. But as far as cutting, oh my God, I love it. It fades excellent. It feels good. I only charged it once. I used it all day today. I wasn't super busy. I mean, I only did maybe like 7, 8 haircuts, but still, I used it on all the haircuts. One thing I do like about it is when I was doing clipper over comb, I don't know if it's the blade or what, but it just seemed like it was easy for the clipper over comb. So really nice machine, guys. If you're out there, especially if you're a senior guy, I recommend you guys get it. So far, I haven't. I'm gonna give you guys my more thorough review where I go into some of the specs and some of the other stuff. Plus, I want to use it for at least a week, maybe 2 weeks before I actually do my full-on review. This is just my little small review from just having it this one day. And today, like I said, wasn't very busy for me. I only did maybe 8 haircuts. So, but you know, it was nice. It's a good machine. I like it. It's a little loud though. That's the only thing I don't like about it. It's a little loud, but I could work with loud as long as it cuts good and just not having any cords. I love that. I love that. I hate cords. And when I know that's one of the things I hate the most. But guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you again for watching. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're gonna watch me, you guys gotta subscribe, please. And hey guys, I need some Q&A, guys. Q&A. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about. With that being said, I'll see you guys mañana.